Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6. Error software cannot be used at same time as game disk, soft LTD. First open Task Manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. When the Task Manager opens, look through the list of running programs. Find anything related to daemon tools. If you see it running, right-click on it and select End Task. Make sure all daemon tools related processes are closed. Once that is done, try running the game again and check if the error is fixed. If you are still facing the issue, right-click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu, select Device Manager. When the Device Manager opens, find and expand the section called Storage Controllers. Look for anything related to daemon tools. Right-click on it and select Disable Device. Next, stay in Device Manager and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Again, look for any daemon tools related entry. Right-click on it and select Disable Device. After disabling these drivers, restart your computer and try launching the game once more. If the error still appears, the final step is to uninstall daemon tools completely. Open Settings, then go to Apps, and then Apps and Features. In the search bar, type Daemon Tools. When it appears, click on it and select Uninstall. Follow the steps on screen and restart your PC after it finishes. After this, the game should run without the error. Thanks for watching.